What is up, guys? Today we are playing Melon Playground. I know it's called Melon Sandbox, but I don't care. So yeah, we are going to be playing in this acid map. Don't mind what was over there. So yeah, let's get right into it. Hi guys, would you like to test out my new ride I built for the acid pit? Not me. Ooh, I want to! Chill out. Don't tell me to chill out. Alrighty, just let me pull out the remote. Alright, this will open the doors. Beep. Thanks, loser. Hoo-yah! Ow! Melon, why is your thing falling apart? And why is there blood on the ground? Chill out, bro. Chill out. It's meant to do that. What the hell do you mean it's meant to do that? It almost killed me. Well, that's because beep. What did you do? Well, no, Melon! I'll get you back for this. Look, I have wings. I drink like 7 Red Bulls. What the? Whoa, guys, chill out. That was not my fault. What do you mean? You literally started it. No. Why do you say that? Cause you literally just did. Oh no, you guys seen too much. I can't allow this. That wasn't a very good throw. I don't need to throw, cause I don't fight like a man. I have to fight like an American. Whoa. Put the gun down. Yeah, you're gonna hurt somebody. I ain't putting nothing down. Well, joke's on you. I have a rifle, so don't mess with me. Huh? Cactus! Orange! Yo, pay! Ah! Uh-oh. Haha, I have dodged it again. Haha, your aim is trash, buddy. No, it's not. I'll avenge dragon fruit and orange. I'm gonna end you. No, you're not. I'm gonna avenge everyone that you've hurt or killed. I mean, unalived. No, you're not. Cactus, do something. I can't. Get off me. I'm a gorilla tech guy, and gorillas are super strong. No, they're not. Oh! I'll avenge everyone. Nuh-uh. Wait! Ew! My leg! My butt! Ow! Now time for your head! Yeah! You missed! Ow! Ha! That hurt a lot. Wait, no! Oh my gosh! Oh, really? It ends like this, huh? I guess it does. At least we're ending out on a blow. Wait, what? Oh my god. Subscribe for more Melon Sandbox. Like, subscribe. Goodbye!